This is Vonna David, and I am a team lead with the Vonna Group through EXP. I am located in the Minneapolis-St. Paul area of Minnesota. One of my key challenges that I faced and that my team faced was accountability, database, and finding qualified leads. It was hard trying to kind of put them into one package. And I think the accountability was key. And so for myself and my team, it was the follow-up. It just kind of went by the wayside. We weren't treating the database that we had as the major key point of the business. So that was kind of one of the key factors that myself and my team faced. It was absolutely one of my main reasons. And I guess it was, you don't know what you don't know. I've been doing the business, it's almost 24 years right now, and never thought about it as this is a business. And the follow-up in your business is key. And to run that database like a business. And I never really looked at it that way. And so coming across Rent 360 and Grow CEO was kind of a light bulb moment for me, that you really have to focus your real estate as a business. Well, my journey has been short. I started actually Grow CEO back in December. And I kind of stumbled across it. It was on social media and it just kind of piqued my interest. And so I went on some of the boot camps, and it kind of hit me like a ton of bricks. Like, wow, this is something that I really need. And the experience has been really mind-blowing. And just the training and the kind of mastermind groups, it really lets, as a team lead or even an agent or a loan officer, it really makes you focus on your business. What are your goals? Where do you want to go? Instead of being in your business, you are working your business. So that was one of my main takebacks, and it was the best decision that I made. My advice would be to run and don't walk to get this program. I mean, it is an absolute game changer in your business. And I recommend for brokers, I recommend for team leads, I recommend for agents, loan officers, any support staff, that the training it's top notch. And there is coaches, there is mastermind groups, any questions that you need. The CRM is fabulous. It's automated. Social media, nobody likes to go on social media. And that was the turning point, is you as a business owner, which you are running your business. You need to get out there. You need to show your face. You need to educate on the market, what's going on in the market, and not be just another agent. You need to let people know that this is your knowledge. This is what you will do for them. So again, anybody even considering it, kind of on the fence, if you want to excel your business and make more money than ever before, you need to do it now. Well, I think initially it was Isaiah. So he was kind of the one that caught my attention. And then, with the boot camp trainings and just kind of explaining. But everybody is fantastic. I mean, Brian in the training classes, I mean, it's just whatever help you need with these systems, there are people that are there to help you, to train you, to guide you. There is literally a roadmap to your business so that you can excel. So it's a group effort, and everyone, whether it's Growth CEO or Ren 360, everybody is there to help make you successful. I would say the CRM is probably the best that I've seen. As I said previously, I've been in the business. I've had other CRMs. A lot of them are automated, but this is automation and streamline on steroids. And you need to have your database. This is your money maker. And to have that set up and pretty much run on automation, you are going to reap rewards on this program. So the CRM is number one. I love the training. I love the ideas. I love the group efforts. I love the social media content that they put out and just ideas. So it's just, again, getting you and your business out into the world to let everybody know, here I am. This is what I'm learning. And again, you need to run and don't walk. You need to do this today. I would say the whole platform of Ren is amazing. And I am 1000% satisfied. It was the best thing that I did.